Good afternoon and welcome back to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel for another instalment of Dan's quickfire 5-minute-ish walk around videos. This here a fantastic red Ford Focus ST Estate featuring the 2.3 litre EcoBoost engine producing 280 PS of power. That then is transferred through the front wheels through a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Registered on a 73 registration, will be taking Ford manufacturer warranty all the way till September 2026. The mileage on this vehicle is 9,800 and a bit, but I'll get you the exact number once on the dash in a moment. This car has some fantastic specification, and my job in the next 5 minutes or so is to tell you all about it. So first off, we have LED daytime running lights, which are going to give other road users the ultimate visibility, meaning you're always going to be seen on the road. There are also adaptive LED headlights, and they are auto lights and auto main beam as well. Let me just zoom into that Ford LED badging there. We also have front parking sensors that show themselves all the way around that front lip of the bumper. Front and rear parking sensors, because this has the parking pack included, which is your wide spectrum, wide angle camera even. It will self park for you as well. And we also have the door edge protectors, and again I'll show you those in a minute. They're fantastic. So you have a lovely magnetic grey honeycomb style front grille there, and just below the front number plate is that little front facing radar that is responsible for some of the driver assistance pack, such as lane assist and pre-collision assist. Moving ourselves around now, we come to these rather beautiful 19-inch magnetite alloy wheels. They're fitted with the Pirelli P0 tyres, and they're very good for tread. And because this is the SD variant, we get some lovely red painted brake calipers there as well. Moving your attention to the windscreen quickly, sound screens is going to be nice and quiet inside the screen when you're cruising along. Obviously, because of the adaptive exhaust system, when you're in the sport mode, you get that wonderful snap, crackle and pop out the exhaust. It sounds fantastic. Very quickly, that's a light sensor for the auto lights. So as the sun goes down, moon comes up, your lights will come on automatically. Furthermore, in the reflection of a tree currently, is a traffic speed sign recognition camera. This will display the speed signs on the digital driver display ahead of you. In addition, we have a sensor for the rain sensing wipers and another one for the auto high beam lights. Further north is a panoramic glass opening roof, flooding the cabin with fresh air and light at a touch of a button. A really nice feature as we approach spring. Back down to the door handle there, we have one touch keyless entry. Tap behind the door handle to unlock, tap again on those 5 lines and that will lock the vehicle. This works in combination with the engine push button start. Onto the wing mirrors, they are folding, power heated as well, so clear of frost and condensation nice and quickly. And also part of the driver assistance pack are blind spot assist monitors, so you get a blind spot assist monitor on the near side mirror and again on the offside. So we'll just go down to the offside rear wheel, show you that quickly. Again, a rather wonderful Pirelli P0 tyre, and all 19 inches of it. This stage of the video, I try and give you a little assessment of the bodywork, so I just rock the camera down the offside, showing you how beautiful it all is. At the back of the vehicle now, like I said previously, rear parking sensors, again complemented with that wide angle reversing camera, which looks absolutely incredible on the Sync 4A module. Around to the near side now, we're going to give it the exact same treatment, so just gently rocking the camera down the near side of the body. As you can see for yourself, it is immaculate, really, really lovely, this vehicle. Near side rear now, beautiful, and now let's follow that all the way to the near side front. Again, rather beautiful. Those red calipers look naughty. Right, into the rear now, so more specs. We have a power tailgate, so touch of a button or on the key that will open the boot up, and then we have the button to shut it on the right hand side of the boot sill. Being the estate version of the ST, we have a gigantic boot space, whether it's sports equipment, buggies, pushchairs, skis. You have a ski hatch there as well, you name it. It's a very, very versatile size boot. Well, lots of goodies to talk about as well. First off, detachable tow bar. So let me just give you a quick view of that. Never going to be 5 minutes this video, too much to talk about. Detachable tow bar there, which is handy, you guessed it, if you need to tow. Lifting up this cover here, we'll show you a nice little place where you can put your muddy wellies or damp umbrella. Removing this lovely little rubber insert. Underneath here is a space saver spare wheel, and in the middle of it, the B&O subwoofer. And the amp is just under there, you can't really see it, but that's the amp over there. So you've got a fantastic, really versatile rear boot space. We've got little hooks for your shopping. We've got these little pull tabs that drop the seats down, so if you require an even larger boot, that's very easy to achieve. Coming around to the offside rear door, Let's talk about these door edge guards. I said this is part of the parking pack, so it's on every door. As you open and shut it, a bit of rubber will come out just to protect the edge of your door. So maybe you had a child getting out the back quite aggressively, that could save you a nasty repair bill. Soft hardware and plastic on the door card, leading to a soft touch synthetic leather. You have 4 electric windows, so you get a corresponding switch on the corresponding door card. You can lock those from the front if you have children. A leather and part suede interior, all defined by that beautiful red stitching there. Those of you that carry the smaller humans of this world, you will need an ISO fixing. So you have 2 ISO fixing seats there. On the floor is the Ford ST floor mats, again with the red stitching, looking lovely. In the centre console we have 2 USB-C charging ports, so you can charge up the kids' devices and save arguments. USB-Cs are fast charging as well. Driver's door card now, so we have soft touch synthetic leather all the way down, a lovely carbon fibre strip to go with it. All 4 electric windows, folding mirrors, rear window lock and adjustment for the electric mirrors. Spinning it around, nice Ford performance on the door sill there. So these are the AGR spine technology seats. So effectively you have little airbags all the way through the seat, A, keeping you nice and comfortable, and B, keeping you nice and safe. The driver's seat is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 away adjustable seat. We get extra support in the lower back and base part of the seat, and also around the head area as well. These are some rather beautiful front seats, and also we get the wonderful leg extension as well, so on longer journeys that'll keep you nicely supported in the right areas. I was just to lean across and turn the ignition back on, give us a bit of power. Auto lights are done this cluster here, and we have the button for the tailgate, and next up is the digital driver display. In normal drive mode you get this lovely dark blue colour. One touch on the sport mode button on the steering wheel and that turns to an aggressive grey red colour. It changes the ambience. We have the adaptive cruise control with lane centering there as well. So again, not only a performance vehicle, it's very versatile. Sit on the motorway, you get some very good MPG at the 2.3 litre engine. We have a electronic handbrake, rotary gear selector for the 7-speed automatic box. We've got wireless charging, USB-C, USB-A and a 12-volt socket. Up next are the controls for the volume. We have one there, which is for the traction control, max demist, automated stop start, and P for parking. That there is a Sync 4A module. That includes your wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, we've got satellite navigation, DAB radio, FM, and all of your heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls, including dual zone air conditioning and heated front seats. Take a breath, Dan. Take a breath. There's too much to talk about. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you did find it useful, please hit the like button. If you need any more information, please do give us a call, 01376 550 899. My name is Dan and I look forward to speaking to you again real soon.